How to log in Facebook using Google Chrome. First of all, open the Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, type in facebook.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of Facebook. You can log into your account. All you have to do is enter your mobile number or email and password over here. Tap on the field of mobile number or email. Enter the mobile number or email over here. Enter your password. If you have forgotten the password, tap on the option Forget Password and you'll be able to reset it. After you do that, tap on this option for login that you can see on the screen. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll also have to go through that process. Otherwise, you'll be logged into your account. Like this, you can log in Facebook using Google Chrome. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.